Unlock better health, diets to ease autoimmune disease symptoms. Embracing the anti-inflammatory diet means focusing on whole foods that work to reduce inflammation within the body. This approach emphasizes fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, steering clear of processed foods that can trigger inflammatory responses. The Autoimmune Protocol diet takes an elimination approach to pinpoint food sensitivities. By cutting out potential irritants like grains, dairy, and nightshades, then gradually reintroducing them, individuals can identify what exacerbates their autoimmune symptoms, tailoring a diet that promotes their well-being. Going gluten-free isn't just a trendy choice. For many, it's a necessity for improved health. This diet eliminates gluten-containing grains such as wheat, barley, and rye, helping to alleviate symptoms for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. The paleo diet harks back to the eating habits of our ancestors, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. By consuming meats, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, while avoiding dairy, grains, and processed foods, it aims to provide autoimmune relief. Adopting a vegan diet means committing to plant-based eating, which can significantly support the immune system. This diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains, eliminating all animal products, which some believe can help in reducing autoimmune flare-ups. The Mediterranean diet focuses on heart-healthy foods like olive oil, fish, fruits, and vegetables. It's celebrated for its ability to ease autoimmune symptoms by promoting anti-inflammatory eating habits, offering a delicious way to support overall health and well-being. Adopting the low FODMAP diet can be a game-changer for those with autoimmune diseases experiencing digestive discomfort. It involves avoiding foods that are difficult to digest, which can significantly reduce symptoms of bloating, gas, and stomach pain, leading to improved gut health. The Whole30 diet is designed as a month-long reset for your eating habits, aiming to rid your diet of potentially problematic foods and identify any food sensitivities. This short-term nutritional strategy can lead to long-term health benefits, including reduced inflammation and increased energy levels. The SCD, or Specific Carbohydrate Diet, targets gut health by eliminating complex carbohydrates that can be difficult to digest. This approach is all about simplifying your diet to allow the gut to heal, potentially offering relief for those with autoimmune conditions. Merging the principles of paleo and vegan diets, the Pegan diet offers a balanced approach to eating that emphasizes whole, nutrient-dense foods. This hybrid diet supports immune system function and reduces inflammation, making it an appealing option for those looking to improve their autoimmune health. The ketogenic diet emphasizes a high-fat, low-carbohydrate regimen to trigger the body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. This process can significantly reduce inflammation and is often explored for its benefits in managing autoimmune diseases. The GAPS diet focuses on healing the gut-brain axis by removing foods that are difficult to digest and potentially harmful to the gut lining. Through a careful selection of nutrient-dense foods, this diet aims to restore the integrity of the gut wall and support mental health. On the elemental diet, nutrition is broken down to its simplest form, providing easily digestible liquid nutrients to give the digestive system a rest. This approach is particularly beneficial for those with severe digestive issues, promoting healing from the inside out. Adopting a lectin-free diet involves eliminating lectins, proteins found in many common foods that can act as anti-nutrients and contribute to inflammation. By avoiding these, individuals may experience improvements in their health and a reduction in autoimmune symptoms. The WALS protocol, developed by a physician with multiple sclerosis, emphasizes the power of paleo principles combined with modern scientific understanding. It prescribes a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and quality proteins to support cellular health and mitigate autoimmune responses. The Zone diet focuses on balancing macronutrients in a precise ratio to support immune function and reduce inflammation. This approach promotes steady energy levels and hormonal balance, making it a favorable option for those seeking immune support through diet. Adopting a low-histamine diet can significantly improve autoimmune conditions by reducing the intake of foods high in histamines. This diet aims to alleviate symptoms such as hives, stomach pain, and headaches, which are often exacerbated by high histamine foods. The carnivore diet, characterized by an all-meat intake, claims to offer relief for autoimmune diseases by eliminating plant-based foods, which some believe can trigger immune responses. This diet is extreme and focuses on consuming meat, fish, and animal products exclusively. Eliminating nightshades like tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants is central to the nightshade-free diet. These foods are thought to contribute to inflammation and autoimmune symptoms in sensitive individuals. By avoiding them, individuals may experience a reduction in their inflammatory symptoms. The sugar-free diet targets the reduction of sugar consumption to combat inflammation. By eliminating sugar, individuals can prevent spikes in blood sugar levels, which are linked to increased inflammation and various autoimmune conditions, leading to improved overall health. The low-glycemic diet focuses on stabilizing blood sugar levels, which is crucial for individuals with autoimmune conditions. By selecting foods that have a minimal impact on blood glucose, this diet helps in reducing inflammation and autoimmune responses, promoting overall health and wellness. Adopting the OMS diet specifically targets the symptoms and progression of multiple sclerosis, MS. This regimen emphasizes the importance of whole foods, healthy fats, and the elimination of dietary factors that can exacerbate MS, offering a tailored approach to manage this autoimmune disease effectively. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe.